Welcome to the third edition of Mirra One Chair version 1 videos. In this video, we'll show you how to replace your Mirra One Chair version's one back. Let's get it done. We'll start by taking off the back cover. Using a ratcheting wrench, unbolt the supporting bolts. Now, remove the old back and get the new one. Installing the back should be done in an angled position to insert it correctly. After placing the back in the slots perfectly, you will notice that it is now straight. You might face a minor issue here. On rare occasions, this part gets bent a bit from upper side, which results in uneven bolting when you want to tighten the bolts. So you might need a plier to straighten it. Don't worry, it's very easy to do. Finally, all you must do now is tightening the bolts and putting the cover back. As always, you can find all Herman Miller Mirra chair replacement parts on our website at OfficeLogixShop.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cool tutorials.